Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. Today, I've got something super useful for you all. I'm going to show you how to update your Battle.net software. So, let's get started. Alright, as you can see, we're right here on Battle.net's homepage. It's where all the magic happens. Take a look around, you'll see sections for home, games, and shop. But what we're interested in is the little drop-down menu in the top left corner. Click on that little guy, and voila! You'll see a bunch of options pop up, including settings, updates, accounts, support, forums, and even a mobile app. Now, let's zero in on the updates section. Click on it, and a window like this will appear. Here, you'll find all the version information and, if there are any updates available, you'll see a message prompting you to update Battle.net. If not, well, congratulations, you're already up to date. And that's how you update Battle.net software. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.